All right, guys, the subject is about quarantine in the Philippines. I was quarantined for 2 days, quarantined for 3 days. And last time I went, I was quarantined for 10 days. And that was bull. Now I'm hearing it's only 5 days. Then I hear again, there's only 3 days. So which one is it? They keep changing the rules. But anyways, I will go down there and I'll give you guys the update. I will actually go down there and find out how many days and I will update you guys. So stay tuned and let's go.